guys, you're going to feel now a flow of life entering through your heart. And now it's up to you to fully embrace it, or embrace the half, embrace 5%, close it up. It's up to you. The only thing I need you to do is breathing in. And when you breathe out, you just say yes and feel it. And you also breathe in, breathe out, say yes. And once you say yes, close your eyes, embrace it. Stay with it, because it's going to reset the subconscious mind. So you're accepting life as a guidance. Beautiful. So you may open your eyes if you like. And check when you notice different. Just check. I would like to hear any testimonials of somebody here who feels the difference. Who wants to raise a hand and share with me? My friend in the front. Hi. Would you like to share it with me?
What I feel.
Yes.
I feel that difficult to explain.
I agree. It's very difficult, yeah. But try it, more or less to...
That I'm bigger, that everything is wider.
You're bigger than everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I love that. I love her face.
And also when I look at you, the whole thing, then everything is brighter.
Everything is brighter, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Can you get to the stage for a moment? And maybe a little bit like space out, like, I don't know, people smoke things, you know? Yeah, this is like cosmic thing, like. And it stays as long. You see, this is happening to me, like, okay, behave. So I look at you with your dramas. But it's not without respect or anything. It's like, because I start to feel the joy that is underneath. It's like a tsunami waiting for you just to, you know, you're doing, no, drama. And just allow it to be. See? Guys, when you look at her, you just have 2 options. No, 3 options. Like, wow, that's an example that this practice is possible for no matter who you are to do it and be happy for her. Second, be jealous, like, why she's not? She's, and I'm not. Or to think, no, this is an actress, this is and even keep it for you. 3 options, they're okay. But I recommend you, something that I learned in Spain, we practice, football is not our national sport, it's jealousy. We practice this in Spain. You know? We played we played in cafeterias with coffee, we play there, you know? You know what? You see?
The funny thing is that when I start to listen to you, then I'm going out of this, and then I shut my ears, and then I start to laugh again.
And for example, my friend, when you look at them, when you look at them, what is different from before? Like when you look at them,
I didn't see them before because I was on the front.
I mean, okay, you were at the front. She's very Dutch. She said, no, I didn't see them before. But when you relate to the world before, when you see people, And now you're seeing 120 people looking at you. Can you feel this easiness, relaxed, family vibe, like it's okay?
Yes, yes.
That's what I mean.
Yes.
This is what I mean, you see?
Yeah.
Anything
I
that
think before I didn't go up.
before, in her previous state, she wouldn't come here because she would be like probably, oh my God, 120 people plus a camera, and I don't know who is looking at me. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy. Enjoy.